Good morning, everyone. After a busy day yesterday, we all slept in this morning, and now we are going to get up and have breakfast. The goal for today is to get a few things done around the house and maybe a little bit of fun as well, but definitely getting a work day done around the house because we are going to have a very busy April, and I want to get as much done today as we can. So Matt and I are going to be tag teaming. He's probably going to be working more on the inside, and then I've got some stuff to do on the outside that's not going to take very long. But I also want to get the girls and I outside as much as possible because the weather is absolutely beautiful right now whenever it's not raining. And the not raining is not very often right now. So I have breakfast going. I got some turkey sausages making, some 3-pepper and onion blend, and I also have some eggs going. We're going to have breakfast, and of course we also have coffee. That was a good breakfast. What, dear?
Want to put blue tile in the bathroom?
I'm thinking about it.
I
actually am.
It would match our ocean theme.
It would match our ocean theme. So our goal today is the bathroom. We have to do something with the bathroom. I'm not going to turn around and show you because it's just Hi, Mommy. I'm going to show you her though because she's cute. I'm going to show you her too because she's pretty.
Hi.
So yeah, this bathroom right here, you just light it out. We've got to get it taken care of. If not today, we're at least going to get it cleaned out today. And I'm going to close the door so you can't see it because yeah. Yeah, we're working on that today, working on cleaning that out because it just has to be done. And then I'm hoping to get outside today because it's supposed to be beautiful. And then Sunday night there's a freeze warning. We're spoiled. We're spoiled because once we hit the end of March, early April, we're over any winter weather. It's like you had your chance, you missed it, don't come back again. Matt is actually home today too. He is setting up stuff. He got new toys. He's working on that today. But yeah, so we're gonna do a work from home day today. And the kids have already started emptying the bathroom out. And there's our chubby puppy. Oh, you a chubby puppy, hi. Say hi to everybody. Can you say hi? Hi. Oh, don't scratch the camera. Girls and I are gonna work on pulling some ivy off the house and spending time outside because it's beautiful today. Hi.
Hi. Hi, Mommy. Look, we have Rapunzel's tower for a house.
Right.
And goodbye.
You're strong. Be careful. Nice.
Yeah.
While we were cleaning outside and cleaning up the ivy, we did find this abandoned bird's nest, and it was super cool. It was inside of an old cover to a water hose, or like a outside spigot cover. It was really cool, but it was definitely abandoned. So,
Wow.
what do you think?
That's so cool. Are there any eggs in it?
No, there were no eggs, no eggshells. I mean, it was very, very abandoned looking. So they got, we all got this much of the ivy cleared off the wall. So what are y'all doing? Do you like your picnic table? Yeah, it was one of the first things we actually were given to us after we moved in. Was the girls were given a picnic table. If we put it out in the grass, they actually have an umbrella. Wow, that is super windy. They actually do have an umbrella to eat out here with it, but today we're just gonna have it on the porch.
And then we can go and play. Yes, go play outside.
So, what do you think of how much work we got done today, Madeline? Tired now? Pizza good? Are you sitting on your bottom? I was gonna say, you look really, really tall at that table. You're too big, stop growing. Hi. Do you have fun outside? What you doing now?
Hi. We have a big ship.
Your ship has a shark.
Yeah. No, this isn't a ship. That's the ship.
Oh, I'm sorry.
There's the controls room. Also, captain's quarters. And we have all sorts of dangerous weapons. These thingies and unmodern thingies. Modern? Not modern.
Yeah, the Amazon's taking over the world.
Oh, you're moving.
Like in Percy Jackson, the Amazon's taking over.
And we kill the traitors. Painfully.
You were laying down and being cute.
And then they take the
Now you're being cute again. Stay. Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy?
Mom, Sarah has a shark in her house.
I have a pool, an indoor pool, in my house with a shark in it. Who's a good shark? Who's a good shark? Who's a good shark? Destroy the fish shark.
Chubby's a good shark.
Look, it's eating a fish.
You're so funny.
It's eating a fish.
We finished dinner and now we are working on trying shoes on because some little feet are not so little anymore.
They're little.
I'm trying, Madeline. Rebecca's being a camera hog. You a camera hog.
I'm a camera buddy.
You're funny. What are you trying on now?
Buddy rhyme. I'm trying on some cute little shoes.
Those are cute. Are you done trying shoes on? Madeline is my easiest shoe person because she has the least amount. Now, when you were little, you had tons of shoes. Like, you would have different shoes just for different outfits. Yeah, but now that you're older, you're a little easier because you're more like me. It's like, I have one pair of tennis shoes, so I'm good. I have one pair of sandals for dress and one pair for not, and I'm good. And that's about how yours are.
I have 3 pairs of tennis shoes.
There's
I have.
What fits fine?
my tennis shoes.
Let me see.
I tied them. I
Rebecca,
can tie
honey.
bow.
Your toesies are at the end of your shoe.
They still fit. They feel just fine.
Rebecca, honey, your toesies are at the end of your shoe.
Later, whenever
my
you
shoes.
get
They
sisters,
feel good though. Okay,
you like-
now I feel the end. Okay, yeah, I need new tennis shoes.
Those fit just fine.
Yay! I don't have any tennis
It's kind of hard
shoes.
to take off shoes with them tied.
Untie them. Untie them.
I can tie a bow.
I only have 3 pairs of tennis shoes.
Yay! Put them back. Put them back.
One's for the dog. The second one is for nice, as in nice tennis shoes, and then the third one's for like zoo trips. The nice ones are for like Dollywood.
So we are winding down for the night, but I'm gonna show you something. Do you want to show everybody the new lights? That is the coolest thing ever. And then if you look down here where it is, it's a lit light on the wall. It's a picture of me and I can't see who is my last picture. So, yep, Merida. So, tell everybody good night.
Look at my Moana bag.
Yeah. And Sophia. And you have foxes.
Good night, all.
Ah,
Say goodnight.
Good night. Bye bye. Please subscribe. Bye.